Okay, here's how we do a rinse on the cross flow. So you hook up water at the bottom and you have valve 4 open here. You have valve 5 closed. You have valve, which is this 1, open. You have this bleeder valve open. You have the wine outlet valve open. You have the gas valve closed, and you have the drain port, which is valve 7, open, as the water's going to flow out there. So the water flows from the bottom up through the machine, comes out of here, and then we're going to gas purge it at the end. So here we go. You turn this on. So water's flowing in, and now we turn on the cross flow pump. So now water is flowing out the rinse down port, and you do this anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So now we have the water running at the rinse down port. If you're doing this before cleaning, you run cold water through it. If you're doing it after a cleaning, you run hot water through it. Next will be that we purge it through the cartridge valve. So now we've turned off the water down here. We've closed valve 4. And now we're going to close the rinse down port. And we're going to open up the gas. And the gas is going to flow through there. On the cartridge filter, we have the outlet closed, the inlet open, and the bleeder valve on top open until the water starts coming out. Then we'll crack open the outlet valve and close the inlet, the bleeder valve. So now the water is coming out the top. Crack open the bottom valve about a quarter turn and leave this semi-closed so it's just dripping out of there. And of course we do have the cross flow pump still on. And you can see it's flowing out of there. And we do this basically until there's nothing but gas coming out. Get a sample of water coming out here. Just check the pH of the rinse water. You want it above 5. It's not going to be 7 like normal water because we're using carbon dioxide. So basically kind of acidifying the water. When you're finished, you crack open the rinse down port, the bleeder valve, and the bottom valve to get all the gas out of the machine. Last step is you open valve 4 and valve 5 to let all the water drain out of the machine. Also take off the filter thing here, cartridge housing, and let that drain also.